So there's an example which is helping also the customers, the production and the machines to be on the quite high level of performance. This is the auto-tuning function which we have in our servo system. So this auto-tuning, as I mentioned, can improve the efficiency, the accuracy, and the movements in any kind of machines. Typical example for these servo motions are maybe packaging machines. So, but what is the auto-tuning doing? The auto-tuning is more or less optimizing the control parameters of the servo controller, and this is done continuously. So the servo system, the servo controller is more or less reacting on changing of conditions. And this is done over all the time. So finally, what I mentioned, the target is to achieve a better performance of the machine. But a second point, which is quite important and where the auto-tuning can help, is the flexibility and the reduction of changeover times for a machine. If you are thinking you have a machine and it's, for example, using different kind of materials, different load, or a different operation. So normally it must be adapted, the parameters for the servo to have the best performance. But thanks to our auto-tuning, this is automatically done all over the time. So the servo system is reacting on changing the conditions. And this is all done without any interaction of any operator. So it's automatically done. So it gives you again an advantage of an effective and a quite flexible machine. One more advantage of the auto-tuning is the simple setup. So you don't need to be a servo or control theory expert to get the machine running with the best performance. It's automatically done by the auto-tuning as it is detecting the mechanics and as I explained the changes of the mechanics of the load. But also on the other side, the auto-tuning can also identify and correct issues, which finally gives you a reduction of downtime or also the reduction of maintenance issues, because it will also recognize any wear of mechanical parts, any changes in the mechanical parts, and then adapt to the actions are not needed so much. So finally, it's reducing the time, maintenance time, it's reducing the downtime and giving more effective production for the machine, thanks to this auto-tuning function, which we have as a standard in our servo system integrated.